Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Have you ever considered making your own avocado oil? It's surprisingly simple, and the benefits are truly remarkable. When you press your own oil, you capture the peak freshness and a richer nutrient profile compared to many commercial options. This DIY method ensures you get a pure product, free from additives, perfect for cooking, dressings, or even skincare. Get ready to turn a common fruit into a liquid gold right in your own kitchen. The secret to great avocado oil starts with the right fruit. Look for avocados that are very ripe, almost overripe, with dark skin and a soft but not mushy feel. These are packed with the most oil content. Firm or green avocados simply won't yield much. Once you have your perfect batch, halve them, remove the pit, and scoop the vibrant green flesh into a large bowl. A coarse mash is all you need for this stage. Now for the essential step, drying the pulp. Evenly spread your mashed avocado very thinly onto a baking sheet, using parchment paper to prevent sticking. Place it in an oven set to a very low temperature, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit. This slow, gentle heat slowly dehydrates the avocado over several hours, transforming it from green to a dark, almost charcoal-like color. This process removes all the water, concentrating the precious oil within. With your avocado pulp perfectly dry and brittle, it's time for the magic of extraction. Carefully transfer the dark, crumbly solids into a strong cheesecloth or a dedicated nut milk bag. Gather the edges and begin twisting and squeezing firmly. You'll see beautiful streams of clear, golden green oil emerge, a testament to your efforts. For an even more efficient process, a small hydraulic press or a heavy-duty potato ricer can yield impressive results. Your freshly pressed avocado oil is almost ready for use. For ultimate clarity, gently pour the oil through a fine mesh sieve or a coffee filter, ensuring all tiny particles are removed. This final filtration step leaves you with a beautifully clear product. Store your precious oil in an airtight, dark glass bottle to protect it from light and air. Kept in a cool, dark place, your homemade avocado oil will stay fresh and delicious for several months, enhancing all your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.